Hello and welcome back to HUD Reset Info. In this video I will show you how to change your HUD size on Hollow Knight Silksong. Let's begin! First, let's simply navigate into our options, then head into Game, and here we have our HUD Appearance. You can set it from small, off, or large. And as you can see, they're all the three settings. This is how the small HUD looks inside in-game. You can see we can even head through options through here, and we can change it to large. So as you can see, the difference is, well, pretty large. Or we can turn it off completely. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, as always, for watching.